Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the updated steps on how to remove someone from your Instagram close friends list. Whether you want to streamline your list or simply change your settings, it's a quick and easy process. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Next, you'll need to find the More icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on this icon to open a menu with various options. From here, scroll down and select Close Friends. This section displays everyone you've added to your close friends list. You'll see their names along with a check mark next to each one, indicating they currently have access to your exclusive stories. Now comes the simple part. To remove someone from this list, just type their name in the search bar or scroll through the list until you find them. Once you locate the person you want to remove, tap on their name to uncheck the box next to it. This action will effectively remove them from your close friends group. Finally, don't forget to hit Done at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. It's important to note that Instagram does not notify users when they are removed from your close friends list, so you can make adjustments without any awkwardness. And that's it. You've successfully updated your close friends list on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to navigate social media with ease. Thanks for watching.